Hi, I'm John Trishler from Specialty Performance Parts, and today we've got a new video to show you a new light kit for your 2022 Plus Ford Bronco with the capable bumper. And today we're going to show you our Radiance dual fog kit for the capable bumper. And in this video we're going to demonstrate these Radiance lights. Keep in mind, you also have the option of the Radiance Scene. The Radiance Scene is exactly the same. The amber backlights are the same as the Radiance. The only difference is they're just brighter LEDs for more output. So if you like the Radiance and you want more output, you've got the option of the Radiance Scene. Let's go ahead and get started and take a look at the Radiance fog kit for the capable bumper. With our parking marker adapter for your Bronco, if you get the Radiance lights or lights with backlights, it integrates into your factory wiring with a plug-and-play adapter. When that happens, just like your parking lights and marker lights are all triggered from your remote, so are your backlights for your lights. So when you hit the unlock button on your remote, your backlights are going to come on, and they're also going to run on with your running lights. When you lock the doors, they're going to flash and go off just like the other lights in the truck. All right, we're going to go ahead and turn them on now one at a time. This one is on our headlight switch, and our second one is on one of our aux switches. And again, we want to thank Tony for letting us use his vehicle for this video. All right, thanks again for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe, and visit us at spvparts.com to pick up these rigid light kits for your Bronco and other accessories. And again, we'll see you on the next video.